Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Munchkin is probably one of the most essential items for any new parent, offering a convenient and hygienic solution for managing diaper disposal. This innovative system aims to simplify the often messy task of changing diapers, keeping odors at bay and making cleanup a breeze. From its user-friendly design to its effective odor-locking technology, the Munchkin Diaper Pail is engineered to provide peace of mind and a fresher home environment for families navigating the joys and challenges of early parenthood. Number 5. Munchkin Arm and Hammer Baking Soda Puck. Introducing the Munchkin Arm and Hammer Baking Soda Puck. It's designed to keep your refrigerator smelling fresh and clean for months. This powerful puck utilizes baking soda to absorb unwanted odors. Say goodbye to lingering smells and hello to a pleasant environment. Enjoy the gentle and calming scent of lavender. It provides a subtle fragrance that enhances your kitchen's atmosphere. Its convenient puck design makes it simple to place anywhere in your fridge. No spills, no mess, just pure freshness. Leveraging the trusted odor-absorbing power of Arm & Hammer, this cartridge offers reliable performance. It's a simple solution for a common household problem. Ensure your food tastes as good as it smells. This product actively works to neutralize odors, maintaining a neutral and fresh-smelling fridge. What we like? This cartridge is infused with baking soda for effective odor elimination. It also features a light lavender scent to help neutralize smells. If you are looking for a simple way to boost the odor control of your existing diaper pail, this is a great choice. What people say. The Munchkin Diaper Pail has a unique ring that holds the diaper in place and seals in odors. It's easy to use with a foot pedal that allows for hands-free operation. The pail is designed to hold up to 30 diapers at a time, reducing the frequency of emptying. Number 4. Munchkin Step Diaper Pail. Tired of lingering odors? This diaper pail offers the #1 solution for odor control, powered by Arm & Hammer technology. Experience the difference with our award-winning design. It's engineered for maximum effectiveness and ease of use. Get started right away with everything you need. It includes a starter bag, refill ring, and a baking soda cartridge. Its innovative system makes diaper disposal a breeze. Just snap, seal, and toss to lock away odors. Keep your home smelling fresh and clean. This pail ensures a pleasant environment for you and your little one. What we like? This diaper pail is recognized for its superior odor control capabilities, even winning awards for its design. It comes with everything you need to get started, including a starter refill ring and baking soda cartridge. If you want the best in odor elimination and a stylish, functional diaper pail, this is the one for you. What people say. The Munchkin Diaper Pail has a unique twist lock system that seals in odors. It holds up to 30 diapers, reducing the frequency of trips to the trash. The pail is made of durable plastic and is easy to clean. Number 3. Munchkin Toss Portable Diaper Pail. Introducing the Munchkin Toss Portable Diaper Pail. It's designed for easy, freestanding disposal wherever you are. This compact pail holds up to 30 newborn diapers. Its resealable lid with odor-trapping panels effectively contains smells and wetness. Planning a trip? Its collapsible design makes it perfect for travel, easily fitting into any diaper bag when empty. Using it is simple. Just expand the pail, fill it with dirty diapers, and toss it when it's full. This product is a winner of the IF Design Award 2021, recognized globally for its outstanding design. Each pail is durable and freestanding, making it ideal for any space. You get a 5-pack for continuous convenience. What we like? This portable pail is designed for convenience and travel, with a collapsible feature that fits easily into diaper bags. It's perfect for keeping odors contained when you're away from home. If you frequently travel or need a discreet disposal solution when out and about, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Munchkin Diaper Pail is a great addition to any nursery, keeping odors at bay with its innovative design. Easy to use and clean, this diaper pail effectively seals and smells, making diaper changes a more pleasant experience. The Munchkin Diaper Pail is durable and holds a large number of diapers, reducing the frequency of emptying. Number 2. Munchkin UV Diaper Pail Refill Rings. Keep your nursery fresh with our UV Diaper Pail refill rings. They are designed to neutralize odors effectively, ensuring a pleasant environment for your baby. Our innovative rings utilize UV technology to combat stubborn diaper smells. Enjoy a home free from unpleasant odors, thanks to this advanced solution. Each pack provides a long-lasting supply of refill rings. You can rely on them to maintain a clean and fresh-smelling nursery for an extended period. Replacing the rings is simple and quick. Just insert a new one into your diaper pail, and it will continue to work its magic. This convenient 2-pack ensures you have replacements ready when you need them. It offers great value and peace of mind for busy parents. Create a healthier and more inviting space for your little one. These rings help maintain a hygienic atmosphere by controlling odors effectively. What we like? These refill rings are designed to work with a specific diaper pail, offering UV sanitization to help kill germs. They also contribute to odor reduction within the pail. If you already own the compatible diaper pail and are looking to enhance its sanitizing features, these refills are a must-have. What people say. The Munchkin diaper pail is a great choice for parents looking for a reliable and effective way to manage diaper odors. Its innovative design features a multi-layer odor-locking system that seals and smells, keeping your nursery fresh and clean. The pail is also designed for easy use, with a foot pedal for hands-free operation and a simple mechanism for emptying the bag. Its compact size makes it a good fit for any room, and the durable construction ensures it will last through multiple children. One of the standout features of the Munchkin diaper pail is its ability to contain odors effectively. The sealed system and the use of special refill rings work together to trap even the strongest smells, preventing them from spreading throughout the house. This makes it a practical solution for busy parents who want to maintain a pleasant home environment. The pail is also easy to clean and maintain, with a smooth interior surface that wipes down easily. The step-on mechanism is convenient and hygienic, allowing for quick disposal of diapers without having to touch the lid. Parents often praise the Munchkin diaper pail for its user-friendly design and efficient odor control. The pail's capacity is generous, holding a significant number of diapers before needing to be emptied, which is a major convenience for parents. The locking mechanism on the lid ensures that even curious toddlers cannot open it, adding an extra layer of security and odor containment. The refill rings are easy to install and replace, and the overall operation of the pail is straightforward, making it a hassle-free addition to any nursery. Number 1. Munchkin Arm and Hammer Diaper Bag Refills. Introducing the Munchkin Arm and Hammer Diaper Bag Refills, designed for convenient and odor-free diaper disposal. These refills ensure you're always prepared, whether at home or on the go. Each pack provides a total of 72 bags, with 12 bags in each refill. This generous supply ensures you have plenty of disposal bags for all your needs. Our bags are infused with baking soda, offering a safe and natural way to eliminate odors. Enjoy a fresher environment with every use. Experience a light lavender scent that gently masks unpleasant odors. They are perfect for discreetly disposing of dirty diapers wherever you may be. These bags are compatible with Munchkin Arm and Hammer Diaper Bag dispensers, making refills quick and easy. They are also durable and simple to separate for hassle-free diaper changes. What we like? These refill bags are infused with baking soda for natural odor elimination and have a light lavender scent. They are durable and easy to separate, making diaper changes simpler. If you need reliable and odor-fighting bags for your diaper disposal needs, whether at home or on the go, these are a practical choice. What people say. The Munchkin diaper pail has a unique ring that holds the diaper in place and prevents it from falling into the pail. The pail is designed to lock in odors, keeping your nursery smelling fresh. It's easy to use with a foot pedal that allows for hands-free operation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.